Hi, and welcome to the video on managing ideas by using the board layout. I am Catherine Ellis, a product manager with Clarity. In this video, you will learn how to use the Ideas board to arrange ideas in the form of cards. You can arrange the idea cards with drag and drop precision on a board layout with columnar swim lanes. Many of our customers use the board layout to manage the incoming backlog of ideas and sort it based on criterions that are relevant for their organization. Consider an example where you want to sort ideas based on how they fit your corporate strategy. Highly profitable ideas that perfectly fit your strategy are categorized Tier 1. Moderately profitable ideas that fit the strategy are Tier 2. Highly profitable ideas that don't directly fit the strategy but are adjacent are Tier 3. Everything else falls under Tier 4. Let's see how to accomplish this objective in Clarity. We start by opening the Ideas page in Clarity and view ideas in the board layout. You can see that the ideas are currently sorted based on their status. Let's configure the board to hide ideas that have been canceled. Let's create a new idea. Did you notice that the Details panel immediately comes up? You can now specify idea details After you populate the required fields, Clarity refreshes the Details panel and creates the new idea. Let us now explore the view options to personalize the board and configure it. The card options help you display specific information about the ideas that you and your stakeholders would like to view at a glance to quickly know about an idea, such as card title, card fields, and card metrics. The board is currently configured to sort ideas based on their status. Let's color ideas based on their priority so that stakeholders can differentiate them based on a single glance. We can also configure the details that would be visible on each card. Let's ensure that stakeholders can see the idea creator, the associated department, and the impact of the idea in a single glance. We can also display financial metrics, such as planned cost, planned benefit, and ROI, so that stakeholders have key information they need to make decisions. Because we need to sort ideas by tiers, let's create a custom pick list. We can call it Strategy Fit and add the various tiers we want here. We can also associate various colors with the tiers. All Tier 1 ideas can be green and Tier 4 ideas are red. Now that our new pick list is ready, let's sort the board by the pick list and arrange ideas based on where they fit. You can also save your current view to ensure other stakeholders in the organization can use it to review and sort ideas. I am sure you now understand how to use the board layout to manage an idea through various stages of its life cycle. Thank you for watching this video. For more information about this product, click the information bubble in the top right corner to load the product page.